Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, whatever time you're watching this. I have a slight inkling that I am parked up outside someone's lodgings. So, just bear with me a second. So, there's a mini clubman on the drive. Beautiful little cottage. So what we're going to do, we're going to go knock on the door. See who's there. Now, sorry for the wind. Unfortunately, I'm not God, so I can't adjust that. I'm trying to cover it best I can. So, let's knock on the door. And who is there? It's Mr. Sean Coyle. How we doing, buddy?
Really well,
Oh. So guys, I've been wandering round, and again I've found this car. And if you can see there, it's on Austrian plates. Staying in this here. What's this? What's this here? So we're going to go knock on this door and see who's in here. So we're going to go knock on this door. See who's behind this one. Who's behind this door? Here he is! The man, the legend. It's Mr. Dave Jaguar.
Hi everybody.
Then we found someone else. We have found Team Slaphead.
Hey, guess who's driving again?
And Total Car Reviews.
He's teaching me how to drive in reverse all the time.
Is this your car now, yeah?
Well, I'm just his personal driver now because he's got that big in the YouTube fraternity now. He's like,
I just gets driven around, chauffeur driven.
What it was a bit heavy, wasn't it? We've had a few beers last night, so
yeah.
I'm going to play it safe, unlike this guy.
Good lad, good lad. Let's go to Mini Sport. Right, we all have worse jobs on the Mini. This has been by far my worst job. I feel ill. Upside down, arms in places they shouldn't be, etc, etc, to get that off. And the brake off as well, but they're off now. This is finally ready to accept the new jig. Oh my god.
It's eating me up inside, and I can't turn to drink because it eats away at my pride. I wish I could fly away for at least one day, just so I'll find that brighter sky and get away for a while. And it's 50 minutes before I glide. I will fly to a better sunrise and sit on that beach drinking wine. I wish I could fly away for at least one day, just so I'll find that brighter sky and get away for a while. My best friends tell me it's not the time. I pull my hand away and say that it's alright, and I just wanna be free, and I can't take that sympathy anymore.
Here we go, boys.
You get it.
Just go on one by one.
Tony boy, you get.
Start Alex. Just get Sean doing it, then Mark walking, David, and I'll walk in.
Go on. Go on. Oh.
Nice patch though.
Not bad there though, is it?
Yeah.
It's not bad that.
I now have a Mini sat on a jig. see that because of the sun. Let's go this side. There we go. So, not just any jig. I think we're all aware of whose jig this is. This is Dave Jaguar's jig. So, it came with a special present. Okay? So, everybody has signed it. So, I have got my little helper with me today. And what she's going to do, because this is a very, very special jig. Not only is it Dave Jaguar's jig, this has been all around the country. And people have wrote on it for me and signed it. So, can you find some writing on it for me? So, what does this one say? It says, "Good luck, buddy, Paul P." Okay. Is there any more anywhere else? Upside down, that says, "Hi, mini enthusiast, Keith M." There's one on top there, look. You see that?
Yeah. That's
Team Slaphead. Mark did that. Is there any more? Where? Oh, up there, look. Tom, aka Team Slaphead, from Total Car Reviews. There is one, I don't think you'll have seen it, Holly. There's one back there. And that says Brum Brum. And it's from Hayley Knapp.
Who's Hayley Knapp?
George's missus. Right? And there's some on the front, I think, Holly. Can you see them? Look, what's here? So there's one here. And it says, "Hi, your minute is going to be Gert Lush, Somerset, George Knapp." Then, who else has signed it? Yo Mofo, Sean C. And right side up, Mr. Dave Jaguar, the legend himself. So, we're going to do a walk around video and I'll show you everything that's wrong with it. So let's flip it over. That is a Mini put on the jig and turned over. So here we go. Just trying to get the best angles really. Look at that weld in there. I'll be honest with you, I thought it was going to be a lot worse under here. I mean, it's not great. There's that there. So, look at the sealer. How much is there? Absolutely ridiculous. Look at this. Look at it all. There's about 6 layers there. There, look. Look at that. I'm going to go around the other side now. Now, I've not cut this sill off yet. I should imagine it's going to be pretty rough under there. Now, what can only be described as more or less a road sign, we think, has been used there. Oh, which is absolutely fantastic. It's really, really good fun, isn't it? Put the weld in there. Go back here. More of the same, look. Just absolutely shot. It's just peeling away my fingers. Again, I just know there's loads of, well, I can feel it. Let's just seal it. Look at this. In there, is he welded? Oh no, he's not welded. There's a shock. So, I thought as a welder you was meant to weld to good metal. Where's the good metal? I've not found any yet. Anyway, so one of the main problems we found was Dave had left this back half of the jig. He'd actually left it in Austria. So when he was down with George Knapp, they measured George's and they made a new one for me with a local machining firm. Sorry, I don't know the name of the machining firm, but yeah, absolutely top blokes. So anyway, they drilled the holes for these on either side, and they're about 1 inch off. Now, I know George's is right, so it looks like mine, and if you look, it looks like mine. Look how lopsided they are. I think that's the problem. Well, one of the problems. It's like that on both sides, I think. So yeah, look at this. Hold on. Don't you just love paying for people? Don't do the work. That's what they're going to do. So that's where we're up to, guys. This is the mini shell. Closer look in there. Look at all this. So there we go. That is a mini shell on the jig. So I'm just going to turn it back over. And there she is. Okay. So that's about it really at the moment, guys. Looks funny on that cheek there, doesn't it? Yeah, that's about as much as I can tell you. It needs a whole new floor. It needs a whole new floor. Now, I've always been a fan of, you know, if we can do it a bit cheaper, let's do it a bit cheaper. But it's just not the case with this. It's not the case. I can't skimp on this. I've been looking. In fact, Sean C found me a heritage floor that comes with heel board, comes with tunnel, comes with inner and outer sills, already all done. And I think it's 650 quid, something like that, 670 odd quid. So that's the ideal situation. So it's time to get saving really, and that means less cutting, less welding, less messing around. So yes, we are going to have to call out. So yeah, we are going to have to call out Welding Man again to come out for us. He's gonna have to do some learning, isn't it? I know a lot of you are asking for him again, so he will be back out to play very soon. One of the reasons is Dave's built a little arm at the back there, and I'm going to weld a 2mm sheet on it. Well, I'm not welding, man, is. I'm going to weld a 2mm plate across it and spread that across the load, across the back parcel shelf. I think that'll be a really, really good option. Well, it's a necessity really because of the stress it's going to put. So yeah, we need to do some bracing in the floor and across the doors because it's all got to come out. I don't put time frame. I can't put a time frame on it. It's a long-term project. It really is. You know, I'm still going to do videos all the time as much as I can. But we have got something new coming to the channel as well. something that's going to be really, really cool, and I'll get that in the next video for you. Some of you might have seen it on Facebook by the time this video goes live, but the ones that don't have me on Facebook, links in the description below. But yeah, yeah, that's all I'm going to say about that. There's something going in this place here, so that is going in the garage tomorrow, and then something is going here, and then there's going to be another garage built, or a double garage. We're toying with ideas at the moment, so I'll show you the garage. Let's go around to the garage. I was going to show you the garage, but it's all locked up and I can't be bothered opening it. My keys are in the house, so yeah. Just before I go though, check this bad boy out. Dave Jaguar 66, as seen on YouTube. The man, the legend, has been to see me. He's brought me this beast, and what a guy. You know, when you meet people who you class as heroes, yeah, heroes. It's not too strong of a term for him, really. People who you class as, you know, you look up to, really, especially in this community. Really look up to him. He's, you know, his level of skill, you all know anyway. But yeah, absolute gentleman as well. I can safely say that. We went out for drinks last night. I mean, I don't drink, I drank Coke, but there were a few that got a bit sloshy, shall we put it that way. So a couple of other YouTubers that got a bit, yeah. So, and they felt it the next day. So yeah, that's where we're up to. Whole new floor. It does need a boot floor. It needs everything. Needs everything. Inner wings, the lot. But it's going to be right. It's going to be done with the support that I get on YouTube, with comments and likes and things like that. It really pushes me on. Obviously, I hope you all understand, things like a floor are very expensive, so I'm you know, that's going to have to be a save up, but we can certainly crack on with cutting things out and seeing what we need and things. So I'm running out of battery, so take care guys. Always stay, you know, enjoy your projects guys. I think that's the main thing. Enjoy them. Love them or hate them. Well, we love them, don't we? Cheers guys.